no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. Alright, so today's video, I'm just gonna try and show y'all how I've been doing, number one, and how our family's been doing, and I wanted you guys to know that we're okay. And obviously, I'm in a much better place today than what I was. This is Christmas, actually, today. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. This video probably won't be up till tomorrow or maybe the next day. But it is Christmas today as I am filming. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. And a huge, 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 from the bottom of my heart, thank you to all of you. Listen. I've never, ever, it's been so overwhelming, just the love and kindness and support and the donations that you guys have done. It's just unfreaking real. Like, I will never be able to thank you enough. I can never, I just want to pay it forward eventually, because it's just been the most unreal outpouring of love that I've ever seen. And I just thank you all. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you so, so much. That has definitely gotten me through it. And I know that the prayers have gotten me through it, because lots of people, I just kept telling them, like, you know, people would say, what can we do? What can we do? And I'm like, just pray. I need that more than I need anything that anybody could ever do for me. I just need you to pray for me and just keep me in your thoughts and my family, you know, while we start over. I mean, that's what we're doing. We're starting over. We don't have any other choice, right? I mean, it is what it is. So, we're going to take it day by day, and we're just going to figure it out, you know, as we go. That's as much as I can tell you on the future. But as of today, we are all doing good. The kids are doing a lot better. My daughter was really taking it hard, but she's doing a lot better. My son, he always has a very optimistic mindset anyway, so he's been pretty good from the beginning. But yeah, my daughter took it pretty hard. But anyways, so yeah, we're doing good. We are actually still at my mother-in-law's. We're in the driveway now. We were in the house, and now we are in the driveway in a, it is called a horse trailer, like a horse camper thing. So it's a friend of Jordan's, a good friend of ours, super nice guy. His family and him, they decided to let him and his wife, let us borrow this, and you know, for a little bit. And so we would have, you know, a little bit of like space, our own space, somewhere to get away to a little bit, you know. Of course, we're super close with my in-laws, so that's not a problem or anything. We still shower in there and like eat and all that stuff and hang out, you know, and whatever. But still, so that we could have our own space a little bit. So we are in the horse trailer, and I wanted to give you all a tour. Of course, I had to put my own little spin on it when we got in here. So I wanted to give you a little tour of the horse trailer. And like I said, just pop on here for a minute and let y'all know that we are better. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. I do. You guys really are not just friends, but family. You really are. When you go through something like this, it like, I don't know, really makes you stop and think about a lot of things. So I want y'all to know that I appreciate y'all being here for me as this like chapter of my life or whatever it is. I really do appreciate all of you. All right, so let's get on to the horse trailer tour, or whatever you want to call it. I wanted to show y'all this. This is so nice. It really is like super nice. It's perfect for what we needed right this minute. My kids are staying, my phone's fixing to go dead. My kids are staying with their grandparents. They've actually got their own bedrooms at the grandparents' house. They've always had their own rooms there, even since they were little. So it was just ideal for them to go on up there and stay with the grandparents for a little bit. And they're just right up the road. We still see them every day and all that. But Jordan and I for now are in the trailer. All right, let's check this out. Okay, so I figured we would just start at the front door. So I got me some buffalo check rugs, obviously. Had to grab a couple of those. They were like $5 at Walmart. We had so many people donate blankets and sheets and comforters and stuff like that. I mean, we've just been so super blessed. Of course, got a doggy in here with me. Always got a dog somewhere. She's been staying with us all the time. She has a little bit of that, what do you call it, like separation anxiety or whatever. So Bella is with us pretty much 24/7. Anyways, the puppies are actually in the house in the kennel when they're not, you know, just running around the house or whatever. But it's got a little sink, a little stove. Got some drawers. It's got quite a bit of like storage. It's got a little microwave, which is cool. But then it's got a bunch of different like little storage things. And then it has this. Now this is folds out to be a bed. And we just kept it down because the puppies were in here earlier. And I folded out, you know, flat when the puppies are in here. So that they can just get up there and play and whatever. But it actually like floats back up as a couch. It'll sit back up as a couch. Pretty cool. Very, very nice. Got a little, let's see here, a little refrigerator. We don't have much in there because like I said, we're still eating, and it's got a freezer also. Of course, I got our robes hung there. You just kind of got to find places for stuff to go. Hold up. Let's check out the outfit of Christmas. Christmas outfit. Super cute. My best friend got me this top. Somebody donated these pants, matter of fact. Yes, y'all, I'm telling you, we've been so blessed. I just cannot get over it. And then, of course, you come into the bathroom and it's like, oh my God, you can tell Jackie has been here. I can't help it, okay? If I'm gonna be in here, it had to feel like mine. Got me some lights from Five Below. $5 a piece. So I could at least put my makeup on. But yeah, nice little bathroom area. It's got a little toilet. Has a shower. Now it does have a shower, but we are actually showering still in my mother-in-law's house. I'll show you how close it is. There's my car. This is my mother-in-law's house right here. Oh, it's gonna zoom in on the darn. Oh, how do I get it to not do that? Well, let me get back here. Okay, so this is my mother-in-law's house, actually. Right out the window. We are right here. But they're awesome. Like, I literally have the best in-laws ever. Davis Fish Market. That's the name of my father-in-law's business that he runs. And then there's my car. Okay, so go through the bathroom, open up this little door here, and you've got like where the horses go. So we originally were going to put the puppies out here, and then we decided it was a little too cold to do that the first couple of nights that we were in this thing. So that's why they were still in the kennel in the house. But if it stays nice like it is right now, because it's actually like 70 degrees in Tennessee right now on Christmas Day. So if it stays nice, we may actually clean this the rest of the way out and then put the puppies back here while we're, you know, staying in the horse trailer or whatever. But right now I've just got it for storage. This is just Christmas gifts. And then like these right here, a lot of people donated these things, and these came in handy so much. I'm telling you, if I ever know of a family that loses, you know, home stuff, whatever, I will be the first to donate those totes with the drawers in it, because you can actually organize your stuff. And for people like me that do have anxiety and, you know, stuff like that bothers them, hey, listen, oh my goodness, any type of storage and being able to organize in the slightest little way, yeah, helps tremendously. So definitely those come in handy. But yeah, this is such a nice little thing. I'm so grateful to the family that let us borrow this. It is so nice. We have been so super blessed. Raver, Rave, what are you doing? What are you doing, little boy? Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Dizzy. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. What are them pretty boys doing? What are them pretty boys doing? Pretty boys. Oh, my goodness. They're so good boys, too. Such good boys, too. Yes, they are. Yes, they are so good boys. Get down. Hey, you. What are y'all doing? Silly gooses? What are you doing?